Where are you going to be in February? Next February, I will be in Tunisia in an open ceremony for coaches. I am going to talk about how to build a coaching business and to have income. Do you have a clear niche? What is your target? As a coach, do you have a business plan? Or what are your fees? I know that you as a coach, as me, we want to support people. We want to help people, but for being a coach, we need income. During my talk, I am going to answer these questions and to help you to have a coaching business and having profit on it. See you there.